Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anubhav. In today's video I will be talking about what thing you are not supposed to do if you want to learn English, because speaking English is not a piece of cake. It's something which needs time and you have to make yourself positive towards learning English. So it's not a game of 2-3 days. After 2-3 days of studying, preparation, you are able to speak English. It's a long process and you will have to be a part of it. So in this video I am going to share some of the things which you are not supposed to do, because if you will do that you are not able to speak English at any cost. I am going to discuss everything from scratch and I will make you understand everything in detail, so you don't need to think of it. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the very first thing what you are not supposed to do if you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, that is procrastination. What procrastination means, let me explain you if you are not aware of the term that is procrastination out there. Procrastination means to keep delaying something. For example, if you have decided to learn some new words, that I will be learning some new words in the morning, you have also decided the time that when there is morning it's time to really study, then you are thinking of learning some new words in the afternoon, and when there will be afternoon you will think of doing or learning some new words in the evening. So this process will keep going on and you are not gonna learn anything. So procrastination means to keep delaying something, not to do it, try to avoid doing that thing. So procrastination simply means that you are not supposed to procrastinate at all. Procrastination will stop you from being successful person, and you want to be successful person, so procrastination should not come in a way of learning English. So remember this thing, you are not supposed to procrastinate at all. Be attentive, be energetic towards learning English. Whenever you are getting opportunity to grab anything, try to get something and try to make that thing productive rather than missing the boat. Okay, so the next thing is what you're not supposed to do if you want to learn or speak English, that is, in the starting you don't need to try to speak English fastly, because what happens whenever we want to speak anything in English, we try to speak that sentence faster. So we don't supposed to speak English faster in the starting. As you will keep doing or as you will keep speaking English, it will automatically become fast. So you are not supposed to speak English fast. If you will speak English fast, definitely you will fumble a lot and you will find it out a lot of difficulties in speaking English. So my suggestion will be to all of you that you are not supposed to speak faster in the starting of learning or speaking English. Try to speak as slow as possible, or try to gather thoughts while you are having conversation with somebody. Try to use gap fillers to have some time. If you are thinking of something, you should think before saying anything to somebody. So you should translate slowly and you should convey your sense properly in the starting, and as you will keep speaking English, definitely your speed will be faster. So in the starting my suggestion will be, you are not supposed to speak faster, just let it be normal speed as everybody speaks. Okay, so this was my suggestion. And the next thing is what you're not supposed to do, that is, most of the people focus on grammar a lot. So you are not supposed to focus on grammar, because grammar is not as crucial as we are getting it for speaking point of view. Grammar is important whenever we are writing anything to somebody, because there will be grammatical mistakes, somebody can find it out, but in the speaking of English nobody can find out your grammatical mistake, because you are just casually speaking. So you are not supposed to focus on grammar, because grammar is, I also agree with the point that grammar is somewhere important, but for speaking point of view it is not as important as we are getting it. So my suggestion is, you are not supposed to focus on grammar as much as you are thinking. So my suggestion is, you are not supposed to focus on grammar as much as you are doing. So the next thing is what you are not supposed to do, that is, you don't need to take tension. Most of the people speak English with taking tension. So they lose their confidence at the time whenever they are thinking of the situation that somebody is laughing at me, I am committing a mistake. So you are not supposed to take tension of speaking. Whatever it is coming to your mind, just speak. Never think of anything. Nobody is going to make fun of you. Okay, everybody commits mistake in the starting. It's very common. It happens to every single Hindi speaker. Okay, so you are not supposed to take tension regarding that I'm gonna be committing mistake and people will laugh at me, people will make fun of me. So you are not think of these negative thoughts. Try to throw all these negative thoughts out of your body, out of your mind. Just try to cover yourself with the blanket of positivity. Rather than thinking negative, you should think positive, that everybody is appreciating me whenever I am speaking English. So this should be your mindset, mentality. So this should be in your mind. Okay, so remember this thing, you are not supposed to think negative and just speak whatever it comes to your mind. Nobody is going to hurt you, nobody is beating you for committing any mistake. So remember this thing. So this was enough for this video. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget the like button. If you're not on this channel, must subscribe to English Ka Gyan YouTube channel. I will meet you and catch you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.